Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. A successful inaugural staging of Jamaica Rum Festival. The two-day festival attracted thousands of patrons at the Hope Gardens venue. Rum, the main course, of course, saw local brands J. Nephews, Appleton Estate brand, and White Overproof Rum, Money Musk, Plantation Rums, Hampton Estate, Sangster's Rum Cream, and Charlie's JB Overproof Rum coming together under one umbrella to have patrons experience the rum culture while educating on the culture and trends in the industry.
What's so spectacular about it is the fact that we can share the love and togetherness right here in Jamaica at Hope Gardens for the Rum Festival. It's the first of its kind, and in Jamaica, most persons would be skeptical about what the first thing would be, and to see that these 2 days was just so elated.
It was coupled with great food, a host of display, and top-class entertainment. On the lineup, Idonia, Wayne Marshall for night 1, and for night 2, Agent Sasco and Sanchez. E-Prime checked in on day 2. Here are the highlights.
So yeah, this is a really good day, really well-planned event. So kudos to the organizers. And yeah, you have a fan. I'll be here next year, hopefully keep again.
Something's wrong, now I can tell. Isn't that someone new came along and broke the spell?
Jamaica has a rich heritage of not just rums, but we have awesome food and the entertainment, and come on man, it's been so awesome.
The food was good and just the overall experience was really well put together. I liked it.
We also caught up with Agent Sasco backstage, who shared his thoughts on the festival.
I'm thrilled because over the years we've seen so many shows that were calendar events fall out of the calendar. So anytime we can be adding events to that, I'm happy. And then if I can be a part of it, I'm happier.
He also spoke to the success of his 2018 Banks of the Hope album.
The song Banks of the Hope is still growing and doing very well, and we still have like several singles to go from the album, so I'm very excited about that.
And for his popcorn remix Banks of the Hope, he shared this exclusive.
For 2019, still there might be visuals coming for that, as well as, like I said, some more singles being released and more visuals for those as well.
MC for the festival, Dufton Shepherd, was excited to be part of the festival. Dufton is part of a growing fraternity of comedians getting the attention of entertainment seekers.
In the last maybe like 2 years, there's really been an explosion in comedy. And a lot of the comedians, we go overseas to do shows. And we're a part of comedy shows. Now we're established comedians.
The comedian is gearing up for his first one-man comedy show.
March 31st, I'm doing my stand-up comedy special, my 10-year challenge. Everybody did a picture 10-year challenge. I'm going to do a comedy show 10-year challenge called Slightly Unhinged.
Dufton's insertion of comedy and, of course, all the acts were the icing on the cake at a well-received two-day rum festival, which was 100% Jamaican. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.